Yes, we're at... Hold on. Can you see it? Yes, you can. Alright, UDS. Right, Michael?
Oh, yeah.
See, he's enjoying it.
Dairy farmers.
Oh, I am eating ice cream. Oh yeah. Oh, that was sexy, right? Oh yeah. So we uploaded some long boring videos today. Pretty original, Malachi, you know, custom trucks. Habitat
right now. Oh yeah.
What kind of wheels are these? Retros? Retros, Habitat.
Your board's rolling away.
Oh, that it is. Oh god. Oh god.